This is Indri Sahani from Paladin AI. We are a sovereign AI Indian company which is based out of Chandigarh. We are a startup company which gives you a AI automated platform for law enforcement and government agencies for big data. So we have a deepfake detection capabilities where we analyze audio, video and image. So we here at Police Expo been participated from last 4 years and successfully driven and meeting customer across. This is a great platform. Have the opportunity to discuss the use cases with the customer and provide solutions to them.
Ankit Rawal, I'm an ex-Navy officer. I'm presently employed under ARI, a subsidiary of Z. Here we have in our stall various kind of simulators which are presently deployed and being used by the Indian Armed Forces, the paramilitary forces and various police of the country. Overall, the past 2 days at Police Expo and the drone exhibition have been very great. Kudos to NextGen for preparing, planning, coordinating and final execution of the entire event.
Hi, hello, I'm Rishi. I'm Triple S Defense employee from R&D department. So we are at Delhi Police Expo, came from Bangalore. So basically we are working in the weapon field. So this weapon is 9mm, G72, SMG. So here 5.56. M72 is there. So we have almost 12 caliber ammunition we are doing that weapon. This Police Expo is conducting inbuilt the system India. So we have what we stand in India system, defense systems. We are showing our capability towards India.
Hi, myself Jignesh Suba. मैं represent करता हूँ MH Service. We are actually hardware manufacturer related to IT forensics. Also, we are a software distributor. This is our 6th event. This event is the best event ever in India actually. They have a new technology. We are also representing advanced tools for IT forensics. We have a forensics van which is a fully equipped digital forensics lab on wheels.
My name is Graham Piper. I'm the Vice President for Asia Pacific for MSAB. It's a great pleasure being back at the Police Expo here in Delhi in 2026. It's one of our key events of the year and we always look forward to coming, meeting so many customers and also seeing so many new customers and explaining what MSAB can do in the local market.
We are from ECL. We are into various domains, defense, nuclear, atomic. You can come to here. We are supplying anti-drone systems. These are the anti-drone systems. We are supplying to various police departments. You can see the anti-drone jammers. This we are supplying to various defense systems and police. This vehicle-mounted jammer works from 20 to 6 gigahertz. Our homeland security products, where command control center, road blocker and strike killers, these are all things we have supplied to our parliament house security system. This has been supplied to our parliament systems, PM house and everything we have supplied, installed and working very fine.
Hi, good afternoon. I'm Praveen Naruka. I'm director in DHI Mobility Private Limited, Gujarat-based company. We are into manufacturing of special purpose vehicle. The Police Expo we have bought are 3 of models. What you have seen in the right side is a QRV. It's a quick response vehicle which is used for the troop deployment, troop movement, as well as law and order situation. This is a PCR and the pilot vehicle with a soft top. This also has a capacity of 11 people. This is the smart rescue vehicle with interceptor. This has a winch plus 50 plus tools for rescue. Like to thanks the next gen for this wonderful opportunity. And this is a one platform. We could able to meet all of them at one place.
I am Harsh Patnagar, DGM working in Vehicle Factory Jabalpur, which is a part of AVNL, that is the Armored Vehicle Nigam. This is a DPSU, a newly formed DPSU, and a mini Ratna award is also given to this. Our headquarters is at Avadi, Chennai, CMD and Board of Directors. We are manufacturing T-72 tanks, Arjun tank, T-90 tanks. T-72 and T-90 tanks are being manufactured in Avadi in Heavy Vehicle Factory. Recently, we have developed this LAMV, Light Armored Multi-Purpose Vehicle, which is on the specification given by Indian Army. The vehicle has already been successfully 3 prototypes we have built up, and it has already undergone summer trial. Apart from LAMV, we are manufacturing mine protected vehicle also.